Acer Aspire 7 Casual Gaming Laptop. A7 1572G71 Count. Review. Deal discount. Unboxing setup. I wish I could have read a review from an average person who doesn't work on computers for a living, or isn't a full-time gaming nut. So here it is. I have always bought cheaper laptops, $200, $300 HPs. And I end up getting a new one every 2 years or so. I decided to step it up a little this time, and from the hours of research I did, this is where I ended up. So coming from those cheaper laptops, this thing is a dream. I mean, it is the Ferrari of laptops. It's fast, and I mean instant kind of fast. The SSD, solid-state drive, is what I understand makes it so fast. It's pretty, and clean, and feels and looks expensive. The biggest complaint I read about this laptop before I bought it was the screen. If there is a problem with this screen, I can't imagine what the people complaining are used to looking at. It's perfect. I mean, I have a nice quality 1080 HD TV hanging on my wall, and the picture on this laptop screen is every bit as good. You can view it from every angle also. I play a little Minecraft. I never knew how awesome it could look until I got this laptop. I downloaded a shader pack for it and ran it on the highest settings. Perfection. Also, the keyboard is backlit. There seemed to be some confusion in the Q&A section on that, but I assure you, it is backlit. See pictures. I never had that before, and I never realized how valuable it is. I will never have another laptop without backlit keyboard when I'm on it at night on the couch. It's amazing to have. If you're not a computer person, and you're having a hard time making a decision like I was, look no further. This thing is amazing. I received this laptop promptly. I was beating myself up with all the choices. What I finally decided was that this one was really my only option. I wanted all the features this offers. Great battery life, a matte screen, non-glossy, full HD, an SSD versus the HDD drive, and a backlit keyboard. This laptop, as mentioned by others, will not win any style points. It will however win with substance. It still is nice looking with a textured cover and being black overall. But that is not what this one is about. It's about what is inside of this amazing product. It took me about an hour to get all the updates to get it current. It boots up in 10 seconds and shuts down in 2 to 3 seconds. The screen quality is excellent, and I am fussy due to my interest in digital imagery. It opens programs immediately. I like the idea that the keyboard lights up and has a timeout feature to shut off. It also works with the battery where my older Acer did not. That one had to be plugged in for the keyboard to light up. I can tell you for web surfing, the battery life is on par with what is advertised. I bought this primarily to surf the web and to edit digital images. I may play Sims 4. I do not think I will need to upgrade the RAM. I will however be looking into adding a second storage drive at some point. If you are on the fence about buying this, go for it. It's amazing. One more note. Do not even consider a laptop with an HDD drive versus an SSD. You will already be behind the times. The difference is incredible. Acer made a winner here. I am a very happy customer. Overall great product. Highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for the watching. Have a nice day.